Hi there, hi, it's Vince O'Malley here. Hope you're doing well. Good to have you here. I know you're watching this video today, which tells me you're doing some research on what is affiliate marketing and how to get started. Well, you're in the right place, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you exactly what is affiliate marketing and how you can get started with your own business. And this YouTube channel is dedicated to people getting started in affiliate marketing. So if you'd like to click the subscribe button down below and don't miss out on any of the new videos coming out. And also, if you want to, click the link in the description directly below the video and get access to my 4-day free training series. Lots of tips and strategies in there, how to get started in affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Well, that's where you promote a product or service to customers that are looking to buy a product to solve a particular problem. And what happens when they buy the product through you get paid a commission. So that's a very basic description of what affiliate marketing is. But it's an incredibly powerful method of generating income. And if it's done properly, you can make a lot of money. So how do you get started? What do you need? Well, first of all, you're going to need a product to promote, a sales funnel for the customers to go through. I'll explain that in a moment. And also traffic. Traffic is basically eyeballs on your business. So again, I'll go through that in a bit more detail shortly. So first of all, let's talk about a product. What are you going to promote? Now this needs to be something that you believe in, that you trust the product, preferably something that you've used and you know will solve your customers' problems and make their life better, easier, whatever it is that they're looking for. Now there are many places where you can actually source these products. There's affiliate networks, places like JVZoo, ClickBank. ClickBank's a huge one. Share a Sale, Amazon Associates. There are several places where you can find products which are going to solve your customers' problems. Now I mentioned sales funnel earlier. Sales funnel is an industry term for describing the process that the customer goes through from first discovering you online through to making a sale and all the steps in between. Now a sales funnel will generally start with a opt-in page or landing page, and this is where when a prospective lead will land after clicking on your advertising material. Now when they land on your landing page, the idea is to obtain their email address, and this is normally done by offering something in free for return for them leaving their email address. This can be anything from an ebook, a PDF, or a training series. Now these are designed to build a relationship with your prospective customers, helping you to get the customer to know, like, and trust you, building that relationship, and you do that by giving value, always adding value to the customer. Whatever it is that they're searching for, if you give them training, free advice, anything to do with what they're looking for, to help the customer get to trust you before they can make a decision whether they want to buy from you. Now you can have the best product in the world, a perfect sales funnel, but it all means nothing if you haven't got traffic. And traffic is the industry term for eyeballs on your business. And traffic is quite a huge subject, which I'm not going to cover in this video. Your job really is to drive as much traffic to your landing page as possible. And the traffic can be, you can get free traffic in the form of using Facebook, social media, YouTube videos, or there are paid adverts, again, social media, Google Ads, Bing, many places where you can actually place paid adverts, and then people click on the link within these adverts and are taken to your website or landing page. Now, to make all this work, to put it all together into a cohesive business, it's highly recommendable to get a training course that's going to teach you step by step how to build your own online affiliate marketing business. Now, you could spend hours and hours watching YouTube videos trying to put a picture together of how you build a business, but to be perfectly honest, you're not going to find out from YouTube videos exactly how to do this. You'll get little bits here and there, but you'll never get the full picture from a YouTube video. So do recommend, strongly recommend that you invest in yourself, get on a good training course, because affiliate marketing, it's not easy. If it was easy, everyone would be doing it, but it's not difficult with the right training. And that is the important part there, with the right training. But once you've made the decision that affiliate marketing is where you want to go, how you want to make some money, you do need to commit to it and treat it like a business. If you treat it like a business, it will pay you like a business. And there's one last piece of advice which has held me in good stead, and that is, once you've started, take massive action, consistent action, and you will find success. So I hope you got some value from that today. If so, give us a thumbs up. Would love that. And if you got any comments, leave a comment in the box below. Love to hear from you. Any feedback would be great. And don't forget, if you want to, you can get access to my 4-day free video training series by clicking the link in the description below. Love to see you in there. Some really good tips and strategies on how to get started in affiliate marketing. Well, that's it for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Take care now. Goodbye.